Can we imagine a world where every family relationship is like a well-tuned orchestra, each member playing their part in harmony? Today, we'll delve into the symphony of family relationships, exploring the sweet melodies and the occasional discordant notes, all part of life's rich tapestry. Consider the story of the self-employed writer earning $250,000 a year, but plagued by financial anxiety and debt. Her story is a testament to the power of family relationships and their impact on our lives. Childhood trust issues had left her with a deep-seated fear of financial instability, even as she found success in her career. But with the help of a financial therapist, she faced her fears, learning to let go of past mistakes and to plan for a future of financial stability. This tale reminds us of the lasting effects of childhood experiences and the power of seeking professional help to overcome personal obstacles. On a different note, let's turn our attention to Jennifer and Derek. Despite an age gap of 11 years, their relationship thrives on open communication and mutual understanding. When Jennifer's biological clock began ticking faster than Derek's, they made a decision together to freeze embryos, ensuring their shared dream of starting a family wasn't hampered by time. Their story is not defined by their age difference, but by their shared goals and mutual respect. It's a testament to the fact that age is but a number when it comes to love and family. Finally, consider the advice of financial therapist Megan McCoy. She emphasizes the importance of healthy conversations about money within relationships, suggesting strategies such as daydreaming about the future together and understanding each other's family backgrounds. These techniques can help couples navigate the often tricky waters of financial discussions, fostering healthier relationships. In summary, healthy family relationships are a symphony of understanding, mutual respect, and open communication. They involve addressing past issues, planning for the future, and making decisions together. Whether it's dealing with financial anxiety, navigating an age gap, or discussing money matters, every challenge can be met with love and understanding. As we part today, bear in mind that the melody of a family doesn't always have to be perfect. It's the harmony created by its members, playing their parts with understanding and respect, that truly makes a family beautiful.